Traveling abroad and no internet? Don't worry. In this video mail, I'll show you how to activate Holafly eSIM in just a few minutes.
Holafly is a digital eSIM that gives you instant internet in over 160 countries without needing a physical SIM card.
Before installing, make sure your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. You'll also need a Wi-Fi connection.
Go to the Holafly website, choose your destination, select your plan, and complete the payment. You'll receive a QR code by email. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Cellular, select Add eSIM, and scan the QR code from your email. Follow the on-screen instructions. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, and tap Add eSIM. Scan the QR code and install.
Turn on mobile data and data roaming. Select Holafly as your primary data SIM. Your internet will activate once you arrive in your destination country.
And that's it. You're now connected and ready to travel without worrying about roaming charges.
If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SIM and travel tech tutorials.